Think investing is only for the rich? Think again. Did you know you can start building wealth with as little as $5? Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take that first step toward financial freedom, no matter your budget. Number 1. Why start investing now? Why is starting now so important? 2 words. Compound interest. Think of it like a snowball rolling downhill. It gets bigger the longer it rolls. Even small investments today can grow into something massive over time. Waiting just 5 years to start could cost you thousands in the future. So, let's not waste any more time. Let's get started. Number 2. The first steps. First things first, don't be intimidated. Investing today is easier than ever. You don't need a fancy suit or a huge bank account. Here's what you'll need: a smartphone or computer, an investing app, and yes, I've got the best recommendations coming up. $5, $10, or whatever you can afford to start. Now, pick a goal. Are you saving for retirement? A house? Or just curious about growing your money? Knowing your goal helps you choose the right investment strategy. Number 3. Best apps for small investors. Let's talk apps, because this is where it gets easy. Here are my top 3 for beginners. Robinhood. No fees and super beginner friendly. Acorns. Perfect for turning spare change into investments. Public. Great for learning, with a social twist. You can follow other investors. These apps let you start small, build confidence, and keep learning along the way. Number 4. What should you invest in? So, you're in the app. Now what? Don't worry, I've got your back. Here are 3 simple options for beginners. Index funds and ETFs. Think of these as a basket of stocks. They're super safe and great for long-term growth. Look for ones tracking the S&P 500. Fractional shares. Want to own a piece of Apple or Tesla without paying $200 a share? Fractional shares let you invest small amounts into big-name companies. REITs, real estate investment trusts. Perfect if you want a piece of the real estate pie but don't have a ton of cash. Number 5. How to make investing a habit. Here's the secret to success. Consistency beats big investments. Automate your investing by setting up weekly or monthly contributions. Even $10 a week adds up fast. Most apps let you set it and forget it. Over time, you won't even notice the money leaving your account, but you will notice your portfolio growing. Before you go, let me leave you with 3 quick tips. Don't panic if the market dips. Investing is a long game. Educate yourself. Watch videos like this, read books, or follow experts online. Start small but think big. Your future self will thank you. And remember, you don't need to be rich to start investing. You need to start investing to become rich. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more beginner-friendly finance tips, and share your thoughts in the comments. What's holding you back from investing? Let's talk about it below.